Hey everyone, welcome back to Speakly English, the place where you don't just learn English, you actually start feeling confident speaking in real life. I'm Alex, and today we're going to talk about something that almost everyone experiences, going to a restaurant. Now think about this for a moment. You walk into a restaurant. You want to order food, maybe talk to a waiter, maybe ask for something special, but suddenly your mind goes blank. You know English, but you can't speak. That feeling is exactly what we're going to fix today.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma, and I'm really excited about today's episode because restaurant conversations are one of the most practical English situations. You use them in real life, during travel, in daily life, even in social situations. And the best part is, once you learn these conversations, you can use them again and again. So today we're not just teaching phrases. We're actually creating a real-life experience for you. You'll listen, understand, and then practice speaking with confidence.
Exactly, Emma. And don't worry if your English is not perfect. This podcast is designed for easy to intermediate learners. We'll repeat important phrases, explain things naturally, and help you think in English. So stay with us till the end, because the practice section will help you speak like a real person in a real restaurant.
So Alex, let's imagine a situation. You walk into a restaurant for the first time. Maybe you're traveling, maybe you're meeting someone, or maybe you just want to enjoy a meal. The first thing that happens is someone greets you. Usually the waiter or hostess says something like, "Hello, welcome," or "How many people?" Now many learners get confused here, but it's actually very simple. You just respond with something like, "Table for one, please," or "Table for two." It's short, polite, and very natural.
Yes, and I think this is where confidence starts. Even a simple sentence like, "Table for two, please," can feel powerful when you say it clearly. And if you're unsure, you can always add a polite tone by saying, "Hi, we would like a table for two, please." That small addition of "we would like" makes your English sound more natural and respectful. And Emma, I've noticed something. Many learners try to translate from their own language, and that makes it harder.
That's so true. Instead of translating, it's better to remember patterns. For example, "I would like" is a very important pattern in English. You can use it everywhere, in restaurants, shops, hotels. So when the waiter comes to your table and asks, "Are you ready to order?" you can simply say, "Yes, I would like," and then say your dish. For example, "I would like a chicken burger and a glass of water." Simple, clear, and correct.
And let's make it more real. Imagine you're sitting there, looking at the menu, and you don't understand something. Maybe a dish is unfamiliar. What do? Many people stay silent, but that's not good. You can ask questions. For example, "What do you recommend?" or "What is this dish?" These are very natural questions. And honestly, asking questions actually makes your English stronger.
Yes, and also it creates connection. When you ask, "What do you recommend?" the waiter often gives suggestions, and that becomes a conversation. And here's another useful phrase. "What's popular here?" This is very common in restaurants. And when the waiter explains, don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on keywords. For example, if they say spicy chicken pasta, you already understand the main idea.
That's a great point. You don't need to understand every single word. English is about communication, not perfection. Now let's move to ordering food. This is where learners sometimes feel nervous. But honestly, it's very easy if you follow a simple structure. Start with "I would like," then say the item. For example, "I would like a cheeseburger," or "I would like a vegetable pizza." And if you want something extra, you can say, can I also get fries?"
And don't forget drinks. Drinks are part of almost every order. You can say, "I'll have a glass of juice," or "I'll have a cup of coffee." Notice how natural that sounds. "I'll have" is another very useful phrase. It's slightly more casual than "I would like," but both are correct. So you can choose what feels comfortable for you.
Now let's talk about special requests. Sometimes you don't want something in your food. Maybe no onions or less spice. This is very common. You can say, "Can you make it less spicy?" or "No onions, please." These are simple but powerful sentences. And the key here is politeness. Always add please at the end. It makes your English sound friendly and respectful.
Yes, and another important moment is when the food arrives. The waiter may ask, "Is everything okay?" This is your chance to respond. You can say, "Yes, everything is great," or "It's delicious." And if there is a problem, don't stay silent. You can politely say, "Sorry, this is too salty," or "I think this is not what I ordered." It's okay to speak up.
That's so important, Emma. Many learners feel shy, but real communication means expressing your needs. And even if you make a small mistake, it's completely fine. People understand you. The goal is communication, not perfection. And honestly, every time you speak, you improve.
All right, everyone, now it's your turn. We're going to practice together. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Ready? Let's start. Table for two, please. Now you say it. Again. Table for two, please. Feel the rhythm of the sentence.
Great job. Now let's move to ordering. Repeat after me. I would like a chicken burger. Again, I would like a chicken burger. Very nice. Now try this one. Can I also get a glass of water? Pause. Excellent. Keep your voice natural.
Now let's practice asking questions. Repeat. What do you recommend? Again. What do you recommend? And one more. What's popular here? Perfect. You're doing really well.
Now let's practice a full mini-sentence. Repeat after me slowly. I would like a pizza and a glass of juice. Again, same sentence. Focus on clarity. This is exactly how you would speak in a real restaurant.
You did amazing today. Seriously, if you followed along and practiced, you're already more confident than before. Remember, English is not about being perfect. It's about expressing yourself. And today, you learned how to do that in one of the most common real-life situations.
Exactly. And here's something important. Don't just listen once. Come back, repeat, practice again. Speak out loud. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And one day, you'll walk into a restaurant and speak English without fear.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Speakly English, like this video, and share it with someone who is learning English. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order in a restaurant?
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing. Bye, everyone.